So here's an overview of the Warema exterior Venetian blind operation. You notice I have the slats partially up in the opening, and you can tilt those via the control. I'm not using the controller, but it should be able to operate the same way using the wall mount controller, because it's simply just an up and down function. Okay, so here we continue up, here we can tilt the slat by going back down. Okay, so now they're fully retracted and we can lower them. And again, anywhere in the range, we can simply go the opposite direction to tilt those slats. Okay, thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, check out our YouTube page for any other technical videos. We may be able to already answer some of your questions on some of those videos. So thank you.